Not everyone agrees whether size matters or not, but I am sure that everyone agrees that quality sex plays a major role in a relationship. Nobody wants to have good or average sex with their partner. A bigger penis is something that is certainly very helpful in increasing the quality of sex. It is very normal for men to want a bigger penis, and it is easily possible. How to surprise her with a bigger penis? The facts are facts, and they tell a very clear story. Did you know that 93% of women have never achieved an orgasm during intercourse, and that 76% of women are not happy with their partner's sexual performance? This is a very clear warning sign for a lot of men, but it can also be a blessing in disguise. When you are able to make your penis grow bigger, stronger and more durable, then you are one of the few men who can actually give women a real orgasm. There are a large amount of various types of male enhancement products that men can use. If you want to surprise her with a bigger penis, then you need something that is effective, safe, easy and permanent. There is only one method that falls into this category, and that is penis enlargement exercises. All of the other methods, like pills, pumps, creams, surgery, are either ineffective, dangerous, expensive, or all of those things. You can do penis enlargement exercises practically anywhere you want, because you don't need any equipment, only your hands. If you want to keep this a secret, that you are making your penis bigger, then this is easy. Nobody will ever know that you are doing it. And when the time comes and you are happy with your upgraded penis, then you reveal it. By using a really high-quality penis enlargement exercise program, you can increase your penis length by 1 to 3 inches. These are average results, and all of this can be achieved in just a couple of months. These exercises are scientifically proven to work, and even doctors use them to improve their manhood. You are not a weird guy for wanting to surprise her with a bigger penis. It is perfectly normal, and the benefits are fantastic. You don't have to be satisfied with the average or below average penis. Not only can you increase the size, but also strength and stamina as well. Go for it. Size does matter. 100% natural penis enlargement program.